Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Dorbin number M1B, M2B standard rib strip double hung window weather stripping. This is for meeting rails, and basically what you're dealing with is two nested J-hooks. You've got your smaller hook that basically fits right inside of the larger hook. Okay, they just nest together. There is a link below this video to what's called the printable cut sheet, and I think it's important to look at that now because it shows how it works in terms of an entire cross-section of a double-hung window. It's going to be for your meeting rail sort of situation. The M1B, the M2B, very typical and very common that you're going to use. The M1B, and by the way, it's available in zinc as well. Which would be an M3Z, pardon me, an M1Z and an M2Z. The B stands for bronze, is the bottom line. Okay. So you can see from the elevation between the upper sash and the lower sash exactly how this works. Okay. Lower sash is, this is attached, the smaller one's attached to the lower sash, and as you lift it, it comes right up like this, nests back down. Now there is a link below this video to the, there is an option for the nails as well. And there's a description below as well regarding the quantity of nails. So here's a description. Call us, reach out to us if there's any confusion. The nails are sold per ounce. With the copper nails that you're going to get with this, you get about 65 nails per ounce. The attribute says select copper nails, required or not required, and then there's an ad for the amount of cost for 1 ounce of nails. 65 nails per ounce. The other magic dimension is what Dorbin recommends is 1 nail for every 1.5 inch center to center. So if you multiplied 65 nails times 1.5 inches, you'd get about 97 inches of length. So if you were going to order one set of these 36 inch, or let's say you ordered 2 sets of these 36 inch or 32 inch, just for the sake of argument, 2 sets 32 inch, you would get enough nails if you ordered 1 ounce. So you would order one of these with 1 ounce of nails, and you'd order one of these with no nails because you'll have enough, or order them both no nails, and then you can type in Dorbin nail into the search box and you'll find the zinc and the copper nails for this sort of installation. So keep that in mind. You don't want to overbuy the nails because they're expensive. They're costly sorts of items. The M1 is the larger hook. M2 is the smaller hook. M2 is the let's do the M1 first. That's the larger hook. About 5/8, about 5/16. Okay, about a 1/4 inch worth of bird's mouth there. This piece, by the way, this is just a 6-inch sample piece. Just a little dent there. The M2B, the small hook, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch. You can see how much smaller that gets there as well. Back to that printable cut sheet. What's handy about that as well is you will see all of the other constituent parts that you might run into when doing a double hung window. Now here in Chicago, there's countless installations of original double hung wood windows. And frankly, rather than ripping all the windows out because the weather stripping has failed, it's a treasure to be able to source original equipment so that you can continue to get useful service without having to replace the windows. So keeping old equipment going is the name of the game with this weather stripping. And from the printable cut sheet, you can see what you would use at the head section, depending on the widths, the meeting style we're talking about now, the upper and lower sash ribbed jam strips, then the lower sill section, weather stripping. All of it can be done in bronze, all of it can be done in zinc, etc. Depends on what you're replacing, what you want, and what is the threshold of pain in terms of cost. Bronze is significantly more expensive than zinc. Another reason that people will buy this material is because they are doing a facility that needs to be period correct, a historic facility, or a university is building a new dorm building, housing building, but it needs to match the one that was built 112 years ago. That sort of scenario as well. So that's why you'll end up seeing this sort of material purchased. New construction for sure as well. Okay. Dorbin is a comprehensive manufacturer provider of double-hung wood window weather stripping equipment, as you can see. Not only that, weather stripping, thresholds, perimeter gasketing, door sweeps. Any questions on the Dorbin M1B, M2Z set of meeting rail weather stripping or any other Dorbin product, please feel free to reach out to us.